This week, Ashley asks, Anna, what is your favorite skincare ingredient? Ashley, my favorite skincare ingredient is something called niacinamide. It's often referred to as niacin, and that is B3. The reason why I love niacin is because niacin is in our skin naturally, and it needs to be there in order for healthy cell development. So because we're always recommending patients and clients use home care products that help with cell turnover, we like to recommend niacin in your home care products when you're on an exfoliation program because it will ensure that your new cell development is healthy and youthful and leaves your skin looking super glowing.